Well, hey guys, in today's review, I want to talk about this cool heavy duty jump starter right here. A couple things I like about it. Number one, comes with this cool little pouch. So you can keep this in your vehicle, in your truck, in your pack, or whatever you want to do. So it comes with that. Also has the jumper cables right here. So nice little jumper cables, little easy setup right there. Again, red and the black. So I'll show you guys that, how to use it in just a second. Super easy to use right here. You're gonna just turn it on. I like the nice LCD screen. Everything looks good right there. Even has the little force start button. So again, you can kind of get that going. But it will tell you everything that you need to do. It's super easy to set up if you've ever done that before. Again, I'll show you that in just a second. But all you gotta do is plug it in back here. Right here. Plug this right in, right there. And then you're just going to connect these cords to your battery. But it also, on the other side, has a couple different plugs. So you have the outs. So if you have, this is also a battery charger as well, which is really nice. Has a fast charger, so you're getting able to like charge your phone or any kind of thing like that. You could use this for like camping if you needed to, or maybe if you're stranded somewhere, you can use this as like a power source. It does tell you percent up here, and also the wattage that you're using, which is really nice. Then it also has a bunch of indicators as well, with if it's ready, if it's connected, and all those type things. So a bunch of cool stuff on that. It also has a light. So it has a cool flashlight right there. So if you need to use the flashlight, you can definitely do that. And it will, you can see right there, turn it on. So cool little flashlight. A lot of times when you're trying to use this stuff, and it even has some indicators. There it is. So it has some indicators as well. So if you're like needing some help, or if you're on the road or anything like that, you can turn this on and have the SOS signal and kind of, hey, flashing lights, heads up. So a lot of cool features with this. I like it. It's pretty heavy duty, but it's not super huge. So you're going to be able to put it in this little carrying case right here and put it in your vehicle. But it's also a great thing to always have. And, with the fast charger and stuff like that, you can use it when you're camping, or if you want to use it in your vehicle, you can charge up stuff like that as well. So, but I think this is definitely a great option. Feels good. I like all the nice feeling on the back, so it's not going to slide. So again, if you're using this in your car, you don't want this thing to be sliding all over the place. So it's nice and sleek, but it's also, again, not gonna be sliding anywhere. But I wanna show you guys how we can actually do this and hook this up to the battery. So like I mentioned, it's pretty easy to use. You're just gonna take this out of its pouch. You wanna make sure that it's on. Then you just plug the jumper cable parts into the box. Again, it's super easy. All you have to do is just plug it in there. One side is like a circle, one side has a little flat edge to it, so it fits right in there, nice and neat, so you don't have to worry about is it the right way. Then you're just going to put this on correctly, positive on positive, and then negative on negative. So the cord is pretty good. It's a little bit shorter than I'd like for it to be, but it has to be small enough to fit in there, and then it will just tell you what to do and what to do next right here. It does have like a little force start on there, so it does have a little button that you can actually plug and get it going. But like I mentioned, it's super easy to use. And another thing I really like about it is it just looks good, nice LCD screen, and it said it can sustain up to 48 months of inactivity. So highly recommend, check this out. And here's the description on Amazon. As you can see right now, it is at $100 right there. So good price for that one. Also comes with the charging cord. I don't know if I showed you guys that. But you can see right here, heavy duty, all vehicles 12 volts right here. As you can see, pickup, SUV, car, even an RV as well. 10 protection systems, and then also the LED display like we talked about has a bunch of different information you can see right there, all different ones, alarms, boost, ready, and all that kind of stuff, and then even the power bank as well. So really cool option. I think this is a great one for you. I will have a link down below if you're interested. You can check this out. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.